Hello and welcome in. My name is Antieter Butters, and thank you for joining the video. Today we're going to talk about a new effect for power-ups that Twitch has made for chat. So basically, this is a third option that enables users to add a flair to their message in chat. So let's go ahead and see how to access this if you are a streamer. So once you're logged into your own Twitch account, on the upper right-hand corner of the web browser, click on it. It's going to bring down a menu. Click on the creator dashboard. Once you're there, it's going to bring up this menu. On the left-hand side, it's going to have the creator dashboard. Sometimes it is hidden, so make sure you click that arrow to bring it out. And once you're there, head towards the bottom midsection of the menu and click Viewer Rewards. And that's going to bring another drop menu, and make sure you click Power Ups and Channel Points. Once you're there, it's going to bring you to this page section. And find the third section where it says Manage Power-Ups and Channel Points. Click that. Once you're there, scroll to the midsection to find Power-Ups. Once you have that, there's those three effects there to look at, right? If you haven't had the chance to manage any of them, right? But if you want to look at it, go to your own channel page, go to chat, and it's going to showcase here on the bottom where you click for your power-ups and rewards. On the middle, it says message effects. There's something new and it's highlighted, and it's this third option that they have now. You select emote party, and they have the cosmic view, it seems like, on the right corner. And there you have it. Let me know what you think of this new update. If you like it, do you not, comment on the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate it for coming through. Take care.